Okay, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good night, whatever. This is Acumulado Crypto with your Bitcoin update. Again, nothing. Bitcoin hasn't changed so much in the past 24 hours. We have been moving sideways. As I have presented some videos ago, if you follow my channel and you see my Bitcoin, sorry about that. If you follow my videos and if you have watched my previous Bitcoin updates, I have different counts. This is one of my counts. Okay, it's a triple combo, and we have this A, B, and C. Remember that I said that this is not my primary count. Okay, rather I have this count here that I think is my primary count. However, I was talking with one of my friends, and he said that this would imply that we would need to take a lot of time to correct upwards to this level of 7,000, and then that we would go down here. So I decided to change my count to present an alternate count that takes into consideration that we are within this wave 3. Okay, we are going down. Okay, and that it's and then we would finish this correction by August, or perhaps later, by the end of the year. We have our targets here, we have our targets here. It's difficult to predict, to forecast. Okay, so here we have, if you follow me on Twitter, I post this chart here this morning. Okay, and here I have a different count than I have presented before. Okay, this is pretty much the same. 1, 2, 3. Okay, but what is different here is that as present my other chart is that I said 1, 2, 3. No, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In my other count, in my alternate count, my primary count, I have this as a finished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. In this count, on the other hand, I have this as an unfinished 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse wave down, and we are now correcting to wave 4, which is nice, which makes a lot of sense, because we have this. Let me zoom in here. Which makes a lot of sense because we have this A, B, C. It's clear. I have mentioned that this count wasn't really looking for me as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This doesn't look like an impulse wave, and I was like really stubborn to make it like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't look like it, right? It's up A, B, C. It's pretty darn clear here. Huh? Then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and this is our A. Then we have an A, B, C. Rather, I said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it looks like a little bit of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can count as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if we want. Okay, but I would prefer to say it's A, B, C because we are in a P here in this count. Okay, in this specific count we have an A, B, C. It works. It's not weird at all. And we have this 1, this really deep 2, 3. It's a clear 3. Okay, it's a really extended, and then we have this correction here. It's really long, rather long, quite long, I would say, compared to wave 2. It's really long. Okay, it's usually the characteristic of waves 4. It takes time for it to correct. So then we would go down here to this region. Why this region, Akumalo? Why is it? Because this is the figure retracement from 1 for 2 to 3 here. 50, 38%. Okay, I accommodate a little bit more here, but this is the region. Yeah? 60, 6200, 6100. Yes, remember 6150 is gonna be a really tough support to break down, and it's not gonna happen. At least I think it's not gonna happen without going up and finishing this wave 4 here. Okay, remember this is the wave 4 of a higher degree. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that has been correcting, that has been going down since let me see here, since May. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I'm sorry, 1, 2, 3. This is the 4. Okay, so we are going up to finish this 4 and then going down here. Okay, I put here algo target minus 33, 60%. Why? Let's check here, right? Let's get our figure retracement. Swing high, low. Here our low, our wave 3 to find our wave 4, right? There it is. This is my algo target. And one of my algo targets, at least, yes. Minus 33.60. And then we have minus 38.20. Here I have this box here I labeled. I labeled as a possible target. Yes. When we go down, the moment we go down, okay, not now, but when we go down, we see a lot of price action here. Okay, you see price action here to really go down here to this wave 4 within 4, and then we go up to this wave 4 to finish our wave 5 here. Okay, and this would be like 5200, 4900, or 4500. Okay, which is, I think, if we look at the macro scale, I have 4600 here is one of my targets. Okay, this is the macro vision, the zoom out vision of this. Okay, here I have some notes. If you go to my Twitter, you can see those notes. Okay, a common reason for retracements of wave 4 is the previous wave 4 of this is a higher degree wave 4. Usually, this higher degree wave 4 retraces to a previous lower degree wave 4, to the region, this region, that wave 4 of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within wave 3 higher degree. So the wave 4 of the same degree, this green Elliott wave here, this green 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this green 4, it traces to this yellow. Usually it traces to the previous zone. So this is the zone. Okay, 50, 30, 50%, 38, 20%. This is the region that we would expect Bitcoin to bounce. Okay, we probably, of course, we need to first retrace to this 4 within this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I would expect it to retrace, to correct to 6100. Yes, and then up, one leg up to finish wave 4. But it's we are 1, 2, 3, 4. We are 4 days, right? We started on 29. We are going sideways for 4 days without huge movement, without really significant movements. Yes, this is really characteristic of of waves 4 and really characteristic of Bitcoin. They accumulate, they linger on important regions, so then they can make more money, right? That's the purpose of this all. Yeah? Here we have this region, so we have this important region that we would go up, yes, and we have this region here. Sorry, I don't want to use this. This is silly, and this is silly as well. This box here, so if you want to play this, you can play as well. I would say that this is a risk move. This is a risk region to play. Yes, I wouldn't catch a falling knife. This is a falling knife. This might not play. This might end here. If we look swinging from high to low tree, we have reached 30, 80, 20% of a wave 4. So we might as well have finished this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. We are not yet to finish wave 5. So I wouldn't recommend anyone to play this wave 4 here, okay? Because it's like I said, I wouldn't catch a falling knife. Yes, this might go down and try to reach those argo targets here and forget about this region here at all. Yes, so I am presenting an alternate count that takes into account that we might have not finished yet this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we need to have this kind of awareness. This is how we should play the market. Always keeping in mind that we have multiple count, alternate counts, and that we have that we might be wrong. Yes. And another thing that I would like to point out is that I'm looking at this structure here that I drawn. That would be rather strange to most analysts, I don't know, but I like to use Elliott waves in RSI as well. So we have an A, B, C, D, E. I would like to see this E, the way the RSI breaking this support here, going down here, which would be like this. And if this yellow line holds, act like a support, which it has been acting like a support, right? See, if it holds like if it holds down here, yes, this movement that I tried to draw here, if it holds and it goes down here and bounces, we would see that this 4 to 5 is on the table. Yes, it's playing like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. This would be our RSI showing it here, and 5, going 5, finishing 4 here, 50%, and then going down to reach this minus 33, 60%, minus 38, 20%. Okay. Just to show a little bit more of confluence, let's project 2. Oh, let's project 1 to 3, right? Let's project 1, 0, actually 0, 1 to 3, 0, 1, project to 3, right? We see really, oh, I'm sorry, this is totally wrong. I'm gonna project the wave 3 related to project wave 4. Let's see here, we're starting from wave 2, project to wave 4 here. Allegedly, right? We haven't finished yet. Let's see this wave 4 finishing here, where I said that we might go. We see that we have 100% here, right? 4100. Let's see if we have a different Yeah, I'm sorry. Let me show 6180. Here we have 6180% as a wave 5 would be a rather truncated wave 5. Here we have our 100% and our minus 6180% as an algo target. If it really goes deep, which I think it's gonna go really deep, like 4500, right? Here we have 100% of the projection. That means that it would have the same length of wave 3. So a lot of possibilities, yes. I would pay attention if we go up to this wave 4. This would be a really nice place to short. Yes, I would ladder shorts here. If it goes up, I would start laddering shorts, starting like here 20 all the way up here to 6700, because it would definitely go down. Okay, this is my alternate count. Taking into consideration that this is playing out as a triple combo, and this is an A, B, and C. Okay, I have another alternate count that says that this is an A, B, C as well. As a rather simple one, a rather simpler one. I won't present it today. I think this is okay, right? This is playing. This might as well play nicely. Yes, this. And I think I'm gonna stick with this count as my primary count, at least for the moment. And that's it. I think it's enough for our Bitcoin update. And I see you guys tomorrow. Okay? If you like my channel, if you like my information, if you like the information that I provide here, please subscribe, hit like, give me a thumbs up, right? And check out my other videos, my instructionals. Of course, I am still in the process of creating more videos. And follow me on Twitter. Here's my Twitter. I'm gonna post. I have a lot of information charts that I present to my followers, and that's it. Enjoy your trades. Okay. Bye bye. Have a wonderful day.